All right. So whenever any sourcing event is getting created, so that system is sending one email notification to the supplier email ID stating that this information. So like whoever the buyer, they have created the sourcing event, and what is that like name of the sourcing event, when that event will be started, and some other basic information that will be included in that email. So looks like this, that email is like flowing to the supplier. So this email like flowing to supplier automatically. So one notification they are getting on their email. So whatever the particular email ID they have just like specified there in the supplier profile. So there it is sending this notification. So if you see this email, so we have like this buyer name. So this is the buyer name. That's something that they have invited to participate in the following event, and this is the event name. And whenever this event is going to start, that timing will also be, it will be mentioned there, just for that like supplier information, because you know that supplier is the right person who will participate in the sourcing event. So this information is very important to us, and accordingly that they have to plan their like calendar. So either at what time they have to like initiate the bidding process to participate in the sourcing event. And even like not only this information, so in that email will also contain that particular user ID as well. So this user ID, that based upon the supplier profile synchronization. So when that supplier registration is has been sorry, when the supplier registration is done on the Ariba network, so based upon that profile system also synchronize this user ID as well, and it will also contain that user ID, like whatever the user ID, that's something they have to use like to participate in the sourcing event. And some of the basic information, so we can see hyperlink will be there, click here to access this event. And this is some basic information, like if you do not want to respond this event, click here. And like you have forgotten your password, to change the password, so like this information will be available there. So this email will come like when will publish the any sourcing event from the buyer side. So along with this email notification, if supplier is already logged in on the Ariba network, so he will also receive the notification on the Ariba network side as well. So to see that notification, what supplier has to do, supplier has to navigate to the sourcing and online proposal options, and from sourcing and proposal options that he will able to find out the particular sourcing event. So to find out the sourcing and proposal, so we can see this is the supply profile. And if you come in the top side, so we have the Ariba network option. And in the Ariba network, we have this drop down. So to find out that particular sourcing and proposal, so we can see this is the option, that Ariba proposal and questionnaire. So to see that particular bidding event, that he supplier has to come on the Ariba proposals and questionnaire. And once he will come on the Ariba proposals and questionnaire, yes, we can go ahead. So once the supplier will come on the Ariba proposal and questionnaire, system will display that status of the event. So all the event status will be available here. Either the event status is completed, or event status is open, or pending selection, or whatever. So all the information regarding this event, he will only able to find out this Ariba proposal and questionnaire. So remember, this is also very important, because sometimes like in the real time we have to guide to the supplier as well, because supplier is unable to find out where they have to go to find out that particular event, when the event like whenever they have invited to participate in that particular event. So here in this screen, we can see it is showing the three status, that is status completed, status open, and status pending selection. So completed means that is closed, open means that is new event, and pending selection means that is they have submitted the responses. Still, it is pending with the buyer to find out a particular supplier. Okay, so from here he has to just go on this open, because whenever they will receive that a new invitation, to in that case it will be only available in the open status. So once he will click on the status open, he will able to find out that particular event. So we can see this is our event that we have created from the buyer side, and we have invited this supplier. Okay, same way if you go from the another supplier, so let me move to the another supplier now. This is the another supplier. And the same way, if you come here and you will go on the Ariba network, Ariba proposals and questionnaires. it's loading here. Here also we can see we have the same information that event status completed, open and pending selection. And this particular supplier also, they have to navigate to the status open. And when they will navigate, like they will go inside this open status, he will able to find out that particular event where that they have to like perform that their bidding process, they have to participate. So he can also see some of the basic information here as well. So if you can see that there's something in timing is also showing, so whatever the in timing is there, that's something also it will be available. So in our cases it is showing as not available, because if you remember yesterday we have paused our sourcing event. So that is why it is showing as not available. But once we will activate the our like once we'll rerun our sourcing event, then it will also display that in timing. And along with that they have also the information about this event type. So whatever the particular event type that they're going to participate, either that is RFI or that is RFP or auction. So this information will also be available to the supplier. And he can also find out the participated column. So participated column, basically it will represent either the supplier has participated like sorry, either the supplier has initiated the participation in that particular sourcing event or not. So that information he can find out from here. Okay. So like this, the information looks like from that supplier side. And now let me just move to the buyer side. And what we'll do, we will like resume our that event, because yesterday we paused it, our event. And we will see like what how it looks like from the supplier and how they are submitting their bids, their quotation from the supplier side. All right. Any questions here?